I am going to tell the biological name of some fruits and vegetables. For orange, it's Citrus sinensis. For tomato, it is Solanum lycopersicum.
Biological name for mango is Mangifera indica.
The biological name for carrot is Docus carota.
How many of us can tell the biological name of a simple potato without blinking? It is Solanum tuberosum. We all learned biological names of plants in our school science classes, but that was confined to exam question paper. Write the scientific name. Wondering how these students memorize the names that sound so alien and absolutely refuses to stay in our head? To these kids, Tanushree, Balaji and Anusha, a part of Prayoga's Kriya program, these names sounded less like fruits and vegetables and more like spells straight out of Harry Potter. So we decided to try something really fun.
I tried something out of the box this time. I asked my students to go out and to purchase fruits and vegetables. Of course they do, but not by their common names, going through their scientific names. It was fun. They went actually, they asked the vendors to buy different fruits and vegetables in their different scientific names. It was so amazing fact. They were laughing, even they were asking, beta ye kaun sa naya cheez market mein aa gaya hai? But obviously they came back, they were all laughing. It was a different thing, different component for all the vendors, but for the students, it was truly a learning idea. They came back with a laughing thing as well as learning something new in science and to remember those dreadful biological names.
Sometimes learning needs a textbook. Sometimes it needs a little adventure and of course, a puzzle shopkeeper. But when students experience knowledge in the real world, it sticks. And that's exactly what happened here. Giggles, confusion, experiments, and unforgettable learning.